Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I am making a rich, creamy and flavorful chicken malai roast, perfectly juicy and smoky, just like a restaurant style dish made at home. Take 4 chicken leg pieces. And make small cut marks. The word malai means cream. It gives dishes that silky texture. Chicken malai roast originated from Mughlai cuisine. Cashews add richness without making the dish heavy. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon crushed green chili, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well. Now add half cup beaten curd, 5 to 6 blended cashew nuts, 2 tablespoon fresh cream, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon coriander powder. Mix again. Use fresh curd to avoid sourness. Now marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Always marinate for at least 30 minutes to make the chicken juicy. Add the chicken pieces and cook on medium heat. Chicken is a great source of lean protein. Cashews adds healthy fats. Yogurt helps digestion and tenderizes meat. Homemade malai roast use less oil than restaurant version. Cook until the color changes. Cook slowly to lock in the creamy flavor. Now pour in the leftover marinade masala. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Cook until the masala thickens and the chickens become tender. Once done, dry out the water. Then place a hot charcoal piece, drizzle a little oil. Cover for 5 minutes. This gives an amazing smoky restaurant style flavor. And that's it, your rich, creamy and smoky chicken malai roast is ready to enjoy. Serve it with hot naan or paratha for a perfect meal. If you love creamy chicken recipes, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more delicious recipes.